Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing what I eat in a day. Simple, healthy meals that keep me feeling energized and happy. Let's get started. This morning at 8 a.m., I had overnight oats. I made them last night using rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a little bit of honey. I topped it with banana slices and blueberries. It's creamy, sweet, and gives me a great start to the day. At 10:30 a.m., I had a quick snack, a handful of almonds and a cup of green tea. It's a light snack, but it helps me stay focused while I work. For lunch, I made a quinoa salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumber, chickpeas, and avocado. I added a lemon olive oil dressing, super refreshing and full of protein. Later, I got a bit hungry, so I made a smoothie. I blended frozen mango, spinach, banana, and coconut water. It's bright, tasty, and packed with nutrients. Dinner was cozy and comforting. I made a simple stir fry with tofu, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. I added some soy sauce and garlic and served it over brown rice. So satisfying. Before bed, I had some chamomile tea. It helps me relax and unwind before sleep. That's everything I ate today. Nothing too fancy, but everything made me feel good and nourished. Let me know what your favorite meal of the day is in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's go over some words from today's video. Overnight oats. Oats soaked in milk or water and left in the fridge overnight. A cold breakfast. Chia seeds. Tiny black seeds full of nutrients. Handful. A small amount you can hold in your hand. Refreshing. Something that makes you feel fresh or cool, often used for food or drinks. Stir fry. A quick way to cook food by frying it in a hot pan with a little oil while stirring. Unwind. To relax after a busy day. Thanks for watching and learning with me. See you next time.